Good day and welcome to this YouTube channel again. In case you've not subscribed, remember to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. So this week, of course, I'm supposed to post this video for our project on Thursday, but I had a project I had to finish before time and I was on a deadline. So here is the project for this week. So basically, this week we'll be creating a calculator with tkinter, and basically at the end you will have to write a function that will make the calculator actually start calculating. So that's basically what I want to do this week. So here we import tkinter. So here is the function to create the calculator. So basically, these are the buttons on the calculator. I have the C, the CE, the percentage sign, the square root. Because I don't have the square root sign on my keyboard, I had to improvise. I said raised to power 0.5. So that's that. Then I have 7, 8, 9, the way your calculator is normally arranged. So I put them into, each of them into a tuple, a list of a list. So we have a tuples inside a list of a list. So that's that. Then we have our main window, tkinter. So I just initiated the tkinter function. Then I gave it a title calculator. Then I gave it a geometry size. Then I gave it padding of 8. Then where our result will be, we get say it will be in column 1. That's the uppermost part. Column 1, row 1. Then we said it will stick to north, south, east, west. That is, it will fill the whole space available. So that, having said that, then we have our keypad thing. That's okay, where our keypad will be. So we say it will be in row 1, column 0. That is after the row 0 of this. Then still start from column 0. Then stick will be north, south, east, west. That is, it will fill the whole space. Then we have our row 0. We initiated our row to be 0. Then we are now saying for k row in keys, then colon equals 0 for key in k row. So basically what we are saying is for k row in keys, that is for k row, this k row now, this k row 1, 0, k row 1, like that. So we now said for key in k row, that is for each tuple in k row now. So we are now saying for each tuple in k row, tk.button keypad text key 0, that is what we show on our key will be the first thing in our tuple. Then we are saying grid equals row 0, colon equals colon, because this is our colon we increase here and our row 2 will increase here. That's why our row equals row, colon equals colon. Then colon span, we span the key 1. So basically we are telling it to span 1. So in case, for example, if I want to make our plus to be more than one line, occupy more than one row, we can say make it 2 here. So that's basically that. So we are saying, so colon span is equals to 1. So then we said sticky equals tkinter east, tk plus tkinter west. So that's basically that. We want it to occupy the whole space from east to west. So then we are saying colon, we increase the colon number here by +1. Then we increase the row number to +1. Then we said main window.update, that updates it by everything we've done in this for loop. Then we are now giving it a minimum size here. So let me just comment out these minimum sizes here. Then we run this. So basically this is what we have. But why all this white space? That I'm just giving you the reason why I'm actually adding the minimum size. So why all this white space when our calculator can just look something like this that make a lot of more sense than the old white space we are having. So to fix that now, we are giving it a minimum size. So basically we are giving the width of our keypad. You know, we told our keypad to occupy the whole space. So we are plus padding of 8. Then we're giving the height of our keypad plus keypad info height. So that's that. So when we run this now, you can see we can minimize beyond this point because this one is occupying the whole space. We can minimize beyond this point because we set our minimum. But actually we don't set our minimum here, and we run this. If we minimize this one will still not, this one will still not exceed this point because our Windows already has some keys here. But if you're using probably a Mac, you'll be able to go beyond this point. But if you minimize this one, you can see you can go even beyond the calculator, which does not make any sense. So that's hence why we are adding the minimum. Then the maximum is just for us for the when we initiate our tkinter function. So it won't just go and fill the whole space. It will actually make a lot of sense if it can just fill the space we create for it to fill. So that's why we have this. So it can't go beyond this. If we try to stretch it, it can't go beyond that. But if we try to minimize, we still go a bit, but it can't exceed the minimum we've set for it. So that's about that. So here is your assignment for this week. Add the function that allows it to calculate. Basically, I will try and fix this problem in our next tutorial, but pending that time, I won't actually write it in our next tutorial. I will just post it on my GitHub probably in 2 weeks time, because I'm trying to prepare something good for our next tutorial that will actually stretch us and just test all our skills. And basically what we'll be doing in our next tutorial is blackjack. So blackjack is this thing that we have here. I'm already working on it. So it will look something like this. So you can actually play. So watch out for the next tutorial and tell a friend that plays blackjack in real life. You can see it telling us leader wins. We can restart. We can actually end the game and the likes like that. So that one will actually stretch us to do a lot with our skills. So till next week when we're having that project, stay connected to this channel and don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you and God bless.